Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, what are you gonna cook on tonight, Tom? Oh, I'm looking, and I'm looking, and way back there, see that silver cover thing there? Oh yeah. I actually had a couple of requests. Said, Tom, you haven't clicked on the flat top for a while now. The Camp Chef four burner, spit it out, 4-burner griddle here, folks. Let's get that out and let's do some half-pound smash burgers. Wait a minute, I know. You can't do smash burgers if they're a half pound. Well, I'm going to. And guess what? They're going to have cheese inside of them and all sorts of stuff inside of them. I'll tell you what, you want to see what's inside of them? You go take a look what's inside of them and I'll get this fired up. All right, folks, let's make our half-pound burgers here. 93.7, a lot of people say, oh, you can't make burgers. It's got to be 80-20, 80-20. You know what, folks? I got plenty of fat going into this. So I like to put my cheese in my burgers, and this stuff right here, it's an aged Italian blend. There's a lot of good stuff in here. Some Parmesan in there. There's some aged Romano on there. Mozzarella, Asiago. I mean, good stuff. And then a little bit of bacon bits. That adds a little fat. A little of the Zang stir fry garlic infused. That adds a little taste and a little oil. And folks, tiger sauce. Made with real tigers. Love that stuff. And then seasoning, I'm going to put that in there too. Not on top. Montreal steak seasoning, folks. So let's get this all mixed together. We'll get our 2 balls going and see you out at the griddle. All right, folks, there's the griddle. You're wondering, it's smoking, so how hot is it, Tom? So in the 550s, let's just call it 550. So she be hot. So we're gonna get these, oh, look at that. Got some buns there, got them buttered. Those are gonna go on too. And look at those half pounders. Holy smokes. So let's get them on right in the middle. So we're gonna let that go for just a little bit, maybe about a minute, and then we're gonna smash them. Stay tuned for that. All right, folks, about a minute. I've got some parchment paper. Put some parchment paper down, and we're just going to take a press. You can use 2 spatulas, too. And just press it down like that. Turn it over. Now we're going to let that go about 2 minutes, and we'll give her a quick flip. Stay tuned for that. All right, folks, there's about a minute. Let's give them a quick flip, shall we? Oh, man. Look at that. Flipping them over in a spot that hasn't been used yet. That is beautiful, folks. Give you another look-see. All right, let's give them another flip. Oh man, those are getting ready. So we got our toasted buns. We're gonna go on. Give you a look, see when they're plated up. Oh man, can't you wait? Oh man, there's our half-pound smash burgers, folks, on the Camp Chef griddle. Serving on something fancy tonight, wood. So let's I have no idea how these turn out. These sat about 5 minutes while I cleaned up the griddle top. That's it, 5 minutes. You're amazed. I should be. Usually I take about 20 minutes to clean up a griddle. So let's see how these turned out. Wasn't a whole lot of juice coming out of them as they rested, so. Oh man, look at that. Talk about juice. That cheese and everything in there. Oh man, let's just take a little bite. Oh yeah, that cheese, tiger sauce. That's an awesome burger right there. Got some pickles in there. Everything you need is right in this burger, folks. Hope you like this. That was awesome. Tom Horseman at YouTube, folks. Leave a comment, as you always do. Thumbs up, and as always, I can't really say it enough. I say it all the time, but I really, really, really appreciate you watching. Thank you.